Search for all my childhood, and I just called up for anything, and it solved all the issues.
Gadadhar from Bengaluru has dreamt of space ever since childhood.
Everyone's been talking of Mars, nobody's been there. So I want to be the first human on Mars.
1. Lift off.
From the BBC World Service, this is My Indian Life. I'm Kalki Keklan with tales of being young and Indian in the 21st century. Episode 9. The Boy Who Dreamt of Space. As a kid, summer holidays for Gadadhar Reddy meant visiting his grandparents on the outskirts of Bengaluru. While other children played cricket, Gadadhar spent most of his time taking things apart.
As a kid, because of this desire to understand how things work, I used to take things apart, just see how they are and put them back. And summer holidays were a fun time to do it because we were with the grandparents in the village. And there was a lot of room and nobody to question on what we were doing. So we used to either build small buildings here and there, or we used to take up all the wood, carve it out, build stuff around it. I remember us trying to build engines so we could just sit on them and move around, and making them out of bamboo and fabricating them. They never work, but they taught us a lot about how they work. And also when we had toys or things broke down, it used to be like me taking it apart, sometimes putting it back. But there would always be my brother who would help put things back in case I forgot to do that in their places.
Did you ever dismantle something that was actually an important part of the household?
I used to remove them, the telephones and stuff.
So did you ever get into trouble for those?
Not often, because I used to fix them with a higher probability, so it was better.
My brothers, both of them are in America.
This is Gadadhar's mum, Gayatri.
My brother, once he brought his laptop. At that time, we have not seen any laptop and all. He spilled tea on the laptop and it was spoiled, it was not working. That time we brought one vacuum cleaner. He was just a 6th, 7th standard child. My brother left that laptop here only. He said, this is spoiled, it has gone. Then as a child, he has opened that laptop. Then he has cleaned with that vacuum cleaner and he has made it to work again. So it is so wonder. He has learnt everything in that laptop only. From first standard itself, he was so intelligent, and he was in class also, he was so excellent.
Both of them.
He went to swimming class. There he excelled very well. Then he went to astronomy class. That time he has developed that intimacy towards the stars and this thing.
Gadadhar was in 8th grade when he came across a book that would change his life.
It's called Think and Grow Rich. And it was a fascinating read. At that point, I wasn't really looking to make money. I was just fascinated by the anecdotes it had. That stories from Ford and little kids who got what they wanted and how they did that. And what is like the common thread in people's lives. So the book doesn't give any clear answers. It says if you're ready for it, you'll just figure out the secret of how the world works. And so my understanding was that if we set a long-term goal, if we set something audacious, and if we do everything that we can to make it happen, then the universe finds a way to support us to make things happen. So I decided, okay, what am I interested in? It was space. And what do you want to accomplish? And what's not been done? Everyone's been talking of Mars. Nobody's been there. So I want to be the first human on Mars.
The thing about Gadadhar and everyone we met who knows him is that neither he nor any of them seem to have the slightest doubt that one day he'll really be the first human on Mars. They really believe it.
I know his dream from a primary school. So in beginning, I felt this is quite unrealistic because you wouldn't think something like that when you're a kid, right? But then one thing was convinced for me was his attitude, his conviction that it is possible.
It's one thing actually to be thinking to become someone in the future when we were in school. And it's completely another thing to become one. In that respect, Gadadhar actually whatever he wanted to become, aspired to become, actually he is heading in the direction, and I'm very sure actually he will have a lot of success.
So Gadadhar used to go to these space observation camps in school and in colleges. He used to go to those planetariums, astrophysics. He used to read a lot of books based on that. He was always curious about what exists outside the realm of human civilization.
So here's another thing about Gadadhar. He thinks long term, but not necessarily in straight lines. If you wanted to go to Mars, where would you start? I'm guessing you would think the first step is to become an astronaut. But Gadadhar says there's a more pressing problem that needs to be solved first.